Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use your Orange SIM card in Europe. So let's get started. First, make sure your phone is unlocked so it can work with international SIM cards. Insert your physical SIM card or activate your eSIM upon arrival in Europe. Enable roaming and mobile data on your phone. Some SIMs may require entering a PIN or making an activation call. Follow the instructions included with your card. Go to your phone settings, mobile or cellular, then data roaming, and turn it on to connect to the local network. And that's it. Your Orange SIM is now ready to use across Europe for calls, text, and data. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.